composition of blood is, it is composed of plasma and forming elements. Plasma and forming elements. So the percentage of plasma in blood is 55%. While that of forming elements is 45%. So this type of, we can say that solution is called hematocrit. Centrifuge blood with RBCs only. It is called hematocrit. So if we talk about the Buffy coat, if we remove red blood cells from the blood, we are remain with the Buffy coat. Now what is serum? There is a protein in blood plasma named fibrinogen. If we remove fibrinogen from the blood, we can call it as a serum. When fibrinogen is removed from the blood.
Just okay.
Are you understanding it?
Yes, yes.
Are you commenting now? What normal range?
Its normal range is 45%.
45% in blood, sir. Yes.
Now I am talking about the blood cells.
How many percent of protein present?
चुप चाले का
How
बफी कोट चिकन देखा ना बफी कोट चिकन देखा ना
many percent protein present in blood?
How many what?
Protein.
How to
In plasma.
In which?
In the remaining 10%.
And remaining term 10% of plasma.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
भाई वो कह रहा है कि सेल्यूलर 10% है ना उसमें से
And immunoglobulin and globulin.
How many percent?
Percentage. 10%. Protein, then we can say that 2 to 4% are other organic substances.
Yes, sir. He's right.
Yes, sir.
Now I am talking about the blood cells. First is red blood cells. We can call them as
When
eosinophils.
RBC is different, RBC, WBC नहीं RBC.
Oh, sorry. Erythrocytes.
RBC नहीं लिखा था.
ओनली WBC प्रेजेंट होगा, अदर रिमूव होगा.
अच्छा.
कौन सा था?
We can call red blood cells as erythrocytes. Number second is
Serum.
white blood cells.
फिब्रोनोजिन जब निकल जाता है इससे.
We can call them as leukocytes.
यानी कि दूसरे दो प्रेजेंट होंगे ना.
सब प्रेजेंट होंगे, सिर्फ वो नहीं होगा.
Number third is
ना केवल ये only मैं लिखा ना. When fibrinogen is removed from the blood, the remaining thing is called serum.
platelets. Other name is thrombocytes. So if we talk about the structure of red blood cells, there is no nucleus.
ये फ्यूचर के
In
डॉक्टर्स
red
हैं
blood
सारे.
cells. In early stages, there is a nucleus in red blood cells, but after when they get mature, they don't have any nucleus.
That's one question. Through which process energy, through which process RBC gain energy? Because in RBC no mitochondria present and no nucleus present. Then through which process gain energy from blood? For RBC energy required. Huh? This energy come from where?
Oxygen.
Oxygen. No. Not
From Waziristan.
कौन से यार बोल यार
बता दो हाँ आंसर नाउ
Question.
Pyruvate is produced.
No,
That's
this
why
is,
lot of
no it is wrong
this is
Glycolysis,
not a
what is
correct
glycolysis?
answer.
Glycolysis.
I know aerobic glycolysis process energy gained by RBC. My question is that oxygen also present in blood. Okay, oxygenated blood. Why not take aerobic respiration?
ई ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਤੇ ਬਲੱਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਸੇ
Absence of mitochondria in RBC.
Question is
Okay.
Please tell the answer. Please tell about
हाँ हाँ टेल अबाउट द करेक्ट आंसर
tell the correct answer.
Because in the absence of mitochondria in RBC.
Answer.
For aerobic respiration, mitochondria needed.
अदनान 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 स्टैंड अप ना
मैं कह रहा था कि ब्लड में oxygen होता है।
Sir, one thing. Sir, ये नावतन का नहीं Sir, I have another person will ask that question because he is not clear in the question. Sir, you are asking yes, you have metacarpus in brain.
Sir, I
So there is no nucleus in red blood cell. White blood cells are also called leukocytes, and they are further divided into two categories.
अहमद वीडियो को
Samar, can we include video?
White blood cells are divided into two categories: granulocytes and agranulocytes. What are granulocytes? Can anybody tell me about granulocytes? Yes, you are right. The blood cells with granules in cytoplasm are called granulocytes. What are agranulocytes? Anybody from here?
Which have no granules.
Actually, granules granules are present in a granulocyte, but they are non-specific granules, right? While in the granulocytes, both non-specific as well as specific granulocytes are present. That is why they are called granulocytes.
Okay, students. Today only about RBC.
Yes,
General information about blood. Okay.
Yes.
White blood cells we will discuss next.
Okay, sir.
Adding on one point about. He is right that if we talk about the literal meaning of agranulocyte, it means that there are no granules present in cytoplasm. But actually, it is in the old studies that there are no granules present on the cytoplasm, because if we previously talk about in past times, there are no staining techniques, no developed staining techniques. That's why doctors cannot consider granules here. So if we talk about recently, a granulocyte also have specific granules. If we scan the blood, so we can say that a granulocyte also have granules. So it may be a granulocyte.
only specific granule not present. Another granules present, like eosinophilic granules, also present in agranulocytes.
Eosinophilic, basophilic.
They are not present in a granulocytes.
In egg, Eosinophilic granules present in both granulocyte and agranulocyte.
Granulocytes have specific granules, basophilic granules, azurophilic granules. Okay.
What is azerophilic granule?
Azurophilic granules which contain basophils.
Which contain basic.
Acid and basic dyes they contain. Azurophilic.
Basic.
Eosinophilic
Lysosomal dyes we can say.
Okay, students, I told you we will discuss about white blood cells at next class. Okay. Now time is short about
RBC. Yes, sir.
RBC के बारे में बताओ.
So I am right now talking about. Have you heard that the size of the capillaries are much smaller? The diameter of the capillaries are much smaller than the diameter of the RBCs. So how red blood cells enter the capillaries? Because we know that it is a part of circulation. Capillaries are the part of circulation. And so who can tell me?
First of all,
Okay, sir. Who can tell me the answer?
Because its membrane is flexible, so that's why it's entering into the capillary. Why can be a base circular disc? Its membrane is flexible. So you enter.
कैसे तो समझ गए इसमें? तकरीबन ये उशांति है.
I don't know the exact position, but the function of hemoglobin is to capture the oxygen.
What?
So what is your
Percentage of hemoglobin in the red blood.
What is
1/3 of the RBC is occupied by hemoglobin, so it's not 97%.
it's me not 97.
Yes, okay. Okay, now thank you. Thank you. Now we'll continue from
Next group.
Thank you so much. Clipping करो इसके लिए, clipping करो.